peep, the one who blows into a microphone and claims that he's healed people, right? He claims to be a Sufi. He claims to be a Sunni. He claims to be a Barelvi. He claims to be one of us. He is none of those things. He is a fraudster and a scammer. Nothing more. And investigations into him have revealed this as well. And he came to Blackburn. Unfortunately, many ignorant and vulnerable people from our community went to see him. But who in our community has spoken against this? He claims to be part of us. It's our job first and foremost to say no, he's not us. He's not from us. He's not from amongst us. You know, for years we have warned about many fitnas, Wahhabis, Shias, Qadianis, atheism and modern issues we talk about, right? But who's going to warn about the fitnas that are emerging from amongst us? It's because of fools like this ahmaq, idiot, that more and more people are leaving traditional Islam. They're leaving the Ahlul Sunnah and they're going towards Wahhabism. And even worse, they're leaving Islam altogether. Why? Because of the stupidity of people like this that are being demonstrated. He has nothing to do with this. You'll find him videos of him blowing on people and people being cured through some trickery. But have you ever seen a picture of him leading anyone in namaz? Have you ever seen a picture of him, a video of him reciting Quran correctly? Have you seen him narrate to you any hadith of the Prophet ﷺ? You won't have. These are not the people that will cure you. You can find cure in two things. One is the Kalam of Allah, right? The Quran, Surah Nas, Surah Falaq, Surah Fatiha, Ayatul Kursi. And second, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has placed cure in medicines, right? Through doctors who are providing cures to us. Ultimately, all cures from Allah, but we get them through these people. If this person was such a healer, right? Where was he during the COVID pandemic? He would have been the best employee for the NHS.